Make your family. You think she knows how?
Does she know how to knock? No! Do you think she knows how to knock?
Rosie.
That is weird.
You shouldn't watch it. It was a one off. All you have is fun. I don't know who got that one.
We gotta go.
No, finish!
All right, finish. Local question, play the clip.
Because I love you, Anna. I insist you run.
I understand your love experts. Ooh. Okay, let's do it again. Why aren't you running? Why
Aren't you running?
She's wrong again.
Play the clip.
Aren't you running?
That's funny.
That is funny.
Is going home because you're all winners, not just half. You get a sing-along copy of the DVD Frozen thanks to Josh Gad. We love him.
That's funny.
That was funny.
That is funny.
I didn't know Josh Gad did the voice of Olaf though.
Go take some medicine.